What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And as you can see from the title of the video, today is my first time I'll be experiencing 1440p at 240 hertz. So the monitor that I'm using right now is the older Alienware 240 hertz 25 inches, but it's 1080p. So we picked up this beast right here, guys, the Alienware, the AW2721D. So yeah, we're gonna fix this thing up, put this onto my setup. It's gonna look super clean here because it will fill up the gap spaces. But what I'm really excited about is that it's an IPS panel and not a TN like this one right here. So I could actually edit videos on this, watch content on it, and it's 240 hertz, so you know we're gonna game. So yeah, let's set this thing up and see what it looks like. Let's go. So if you're like me and you just always forget your password, or you're just tired of clicking that reset my password button every time, then you should check out today's sponsor, NordPass. NordPass gets rid of all the fuss around passwords. It autofills forms, remembers an unlimited number of passwords, and even generates complex ones for you so you don't have to. Don't be that person that uses the same password for everything. It's just not safe. NordPass also recognizes suspicious websites so you don't accidentally reveal your sensitive information, and you can stay safe online. Now today you could get 50% off at NordPass at www.nordpass.com/Siobhan, or you could use code Siobhan at checkout. Alright, so the installation process was super simple. As I said before, I wanted to get rid of my 1080p Alienware monitor and upgrade it with this new one. It was a bit expensive, but when I looked at it, I think it was worth it since I play a lot of games and also edit a lot of videos, and having my main monitor at 1440p running at 240 hertz is just breathtaking. Like, I just had to do it. Also, the design of this monitor fits well with my setup. I went for a black and white theme, mostly white, but all the peripheral like the base stand, the adjustable mount, everything works well. It also has this nice Alienware logo at the back. And at this point, I was just excited to just turn the monitor on to see what it looks like. Okay, so before I show you guys my first time experiencing such a beautiful display running at 240 hertz, it's so smooth, but let's first talk about the wide array of features and connectivity. So the monitor feels solid and sturdy, and there are no creaking sounds, no wobbling, or any sign of structural weakness anywhere. Straight out of the box, it's really sturdy. Now on the back of the lunar white finish, we have 4 buttons and a joystick to navigate through the menus. It's so easy to use and reach, so adjusting something like simple as the backlighting or switching between different HDMI or display outputs should be a breeze. This monitor also has a dedicated power button on the bottom bezel, so it's impossible to accidentally power it down while trying to tweak a couple settings, which I'd find myself doing with other brand of monitors in the past. One cool feature that caught my attention though was the Alien FX lighting system that just spreads all over the back of the monitor. It has 4 different zones. The spine of the stand has a continuous LED strip going around it, and it splashed some nice colors onto the wall, so when you're playing games and stuff like that, it adds a really nice ambient lighting. The Alien head logo has an RGB, the power button has an RGB effect, and there's also an ambient lighting at the bottom of the bezel that can be all customized to whichever color you guys want, or you could put it into a rainbow cycle if you're that type of person. The stand included with the Alienware AW2721D has many tricks up its sleeve, but it's essentially great since it's fully adjustable. You can tilt it, swivel it, pivot it, and you could adjust the height of the screen, and it also has built-in markers so you can remember your favorite setting, so you can just go back to it whenever. I think it's a major upgrade when compared to the enormous stands we usually see from Alienware. If I really wanted to, I could use this stand and still have enough space for my mouse movement. So we have a bunch of different connectivity for this monitor. Around the back we have a display 1.4, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, and a total of 5 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports for convenience, and also 2 of those USB slots are located in a hub underneath the bezel, so it's really easy to reach, along with the headphone jack under there as well, which is way better because you could attach that headphone jack instead of putting it at the back of your PC or anything like that, just for quick audio if you want to. Also, this monitor doesn't come with built-in speakers, and that's fine with me since when I'm gaming, I rather to use a headset so I could hear those footsteps perfectly. So you might be saying, Siobhan, how does it perform? How is the display? Well, this 27-inch IPS panel looks really sharp and crispy with vibrant colors, and this is the main monitor I use to edit my videos, edit my thumbnails, edit pictures in Lightroom. So yeah, just know I trust this monitor and it looks really good because I've used 4K monitors before. It's not as crispy as 4K, but it's a really good upgrade from 1080p as your main gaming monitor. Trust me on that one. The color performance is fantastic with its 130% sRGB, at 89% Adobe RGB, and a whopping 99% DCI P3 color accuracy. The default accuracy is equal to like superb, since the Delta E average sits at only 1.18 out of the box. So with this monitor settings untouched, like straight out the box, the gamma is also perfectly tracked at 2.2. So you know that Dell did an excellent job, almost perfect job out the box when it comes on to color performance. So yeah, with all that being said, how does this monitor perform in real world usage? Here's my first reaction. Alright guys, so this is my first time with the monitor, and like everything just looks way sharper. It's 27 inches too, right? I'm used to like a 25 inch. Everything just looks so much sharper. The quality as well, the colors coming from a TN panel, it's mind-blowing. Like normally with a TN panel, I usually like every time I want to watch a video, I'll drag the video over to my 4K monitor, but no, I think I could actually watch YouTube videos, and a good test is some good old MKBHD because the quality is insane over there. And yes, I feel like I could actually edit videos on this as well. Like, oh my god, the colors are nuts. Yeah, the colors are insane on this one, bro. I'm gonna do the game test 100%. First thing, Valorant frames, and it's looking just off this picture, the colors look way different from my older Alienware. The text, look how sharp, bro, look how sharp. Can you guys even see this? Like the text itself is so sharp, you could actually, bro, you might be wondering why I have on a green jacket. I just took a shower. But anyways, yeah man, like let me make sure I max out all the graphics and graphic quality, put this all to high, because you know we just want to see what everything looks like. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Three.
Give me 4. I like it. I like it, baby. Look at the knife. You see that animation right there? Look at the dragon, bro. Oh my god. I've never seen so much detail on the gun skins before.
Finished.
Like I'm seeing so much more detail I've never seen before. Bro, this just keeps killing me in some awkward spots. But yeah, nah, this is a whole experience, guys. 200 like butter at this high refresh rate.
No more Viper. Piss off.
Oh, I'm cold.
1 kill remaining.
One dead.
GG's. That was a fun experience, guys. Holy. Like, let me know down below in the comments how many people have tried 1440p at 200 FPS. Insane. Alright, bro, based on what I've seen, you're gonna love this monitor. Now, if you don't really care about the higher pixels or anything like that, I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. But for people like me who likes to edit videos, especially if this is your single monitor, you could edit videos on this thing watch content without it be looking washed out. It's an IPS panel, so you know the viewing angles is good from any angle you look. It still looks amazing, unlike the TN panel I had before that, like, if I look from certain angles, it would look dark. So yeah, so far this thing, I feel like, you know, when you make a purchase, I feel like I have no regrets purchasing this thing. I got it for like 900 here in Canada. It was on sale, so I had to cop that. So if this thing is on sale, this is an instant cop for anyone who is looking to buy this monitor. The picture quality, the image it gives off is just insane. At 240 hertz, that's very rare to find. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of today's video. If you made it to the end, hashtag NordPass in the comments, and thanks again to NordPass for sponsoring today's video and always supporting the channel. And I use NordPass every day, guys, trust me, it's really good if you keep forgetting passwords or you want to switch up your passwords and store everything encrypted with NordPass. It's definitely worth it, just like this monitor I have behind me right here. If you have the money, it's worth it, especially if it's a single monitor, you game and you like to create content. That's the way to go. But yeah, this wasn't a super techie nerdy monitor review. I just wanted to share my experience with you guys as a first-time user. So yeah, drop all the comments down below of things you thought I missed out, and I could probably help you guys out down below in the comments. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Road to 100K. Signing out.